How you can withdraw USDT ERC20 from your Trust wallet. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So first of all, let's start by opening up our Trust wallet, and then you just need to search for USDT. If you cannot see this, click on Manage Crypto on the top right and make sure to search for USDT and make sure that it is enabled. Now once you do so, you're just gonna need to go back and let's simply select our USDT from this list, and then you need to simply click on the send button. And now you need to open up any third-party exchange, like in my case it's Binance, and then simply click on this deposit button, search for USDT and go for it, and then select the ERC20 network just like so. Copy your address and then go back into your Trust wallet, paste your network address just like so, and then you're gonna need to enter the amount that you have in your Trust wallet, but make sure to go with $5 to $10 worth of USDT first, then you can go with the higher amount if you receive right away. So hope this helped. This is how you can withdraw USDT ERC20 from your Trust wallet.